Hello, are you looking for a recreational property in Idaho? Well, I think I might have what you're looking for. We're just outside of Council, about 15 miles. This is 40 acres. There's 4 ponds on it. There's a really newly constructed, really nice shop with some horse stalls in it. And there's an authentic cabin. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate. If you're interested, watch this video and I'm going to show you around. If you're interested in this cabin, make sure you look at the information section down here below the video. It'll give you a ton of information you want, like the price, the acreage. There's a write-up there, and of course there's also some links to our website, a 3D scan through here so you can walk through it at your own pace, and a virtual map of the property. All right, welcome to the cabin, and this is an authentic cabin. There is no foundation under this. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not the nicest living area you've ever seen, but it is very livable. They have been staying in it, and you can come up and enjoy it. You can always build yourself another cabin. You could use this. Of course, there's plenty of room up here for RVs, but this is the building that's here. It is not on a foundation, and you can tell that when you're walking around on the floor. It is fed by a spring, and so that is the water source on the property. There is some piping underground and a few freezeless faucets for that water collection. Of course, this property is off-grid. There is no electricity up here. There is a propane tank. The propane company will deliver. So we have some propane lanterns in here. There's a propane heater. There's also a wood stove. So that is the cabin. So let's go up and check out the brand new shop that just got completed. All right, here we are at the shop, but I'm going to take this opportunity real quick to let you know I'm the only broker in North Central Idaho who consistently videos all of his listings. And so if you find this content in your real estate search valuable, please let me know by giving me a like, and even a comment would be awesome. I'd appreciate it. So here's the shop. We got the big roll-up door here. This is the storage room. It's got a nice big opening, easy to get furniture in and out of there, or anything else you need. That is all enclosed and insulated. And then down here, we have the first of the 3 horse stalls. These are really nice. They're noble, really easy sliding doors. We have 3 of them here at this shop. And it's got all the wood all the way up, probably about 10 foot high, to keep your horses from being able to curb on that and chew up all the wood inside of there. Concrete floor here. There's another big roll-up door at this end of the shop, and so you can drive straight through here. There's a walk-through, and then everything else is exposed, nothing else is insulated, but really, really nice shop here. This is a beautiful property. If you're interested, please give me a call. My phone number is right here at the bottom of the screen, but I want to let you know I don't pay Realtor.com, and I don't pay Zillow to give me your information. So if you want to talk to me, please call my number. I'd love to bring you here and show you this wonderful property here in North Central Idaho.